this is Yolanda from Lima Machinery in China. Look, this is our factory. It is about 10,000 square meters. We are professional manufacturers, especially in animal feed machines, such as floating fish feed and shrimp feed, livestock feed, and dog cat food. We also design different production lines according to your specific needs and your budget. So no matter you want for farm use or commercial use, we can meet all your needs. We are your best choice. So if you want to know more information about our machines, please feel free to contact me. This is Yolanda. Thank you.